Well, folks, it's another day, another deep dive into Apple, everyone's favorite trillion-dollar tech giant that keeps popping up in our headlines like a celebrity with a never-ending supply of juicy gossip. Today, Apple was the talk of the town for a trio of reasons, spanning their market performance, innovation strategy, and their role in making folks richer than ever before. Kicking things off, we've got some juicy financial insights. Apple was put under the microscope today as analysts took the time to do a deep analysis of its performance compared to its competitors in the technology, hardware, storage, and peripherals industry. The findings were pretty eye-opening. While Apple's price-to-earnings ratio is slightly more valuable in investors' eyes, its price-to-book and price-to-sales ratios suggest that it's a bit on the pricey side in certain areas compared to its counterparts. However, Apple flexes its financial muscles with powerful metrics, boasting a return on equity and EBITDA that far outperform the industry average. For those of you who aren't number nerds, this essentially means Apple knows how to squeeze every dollar into an impressive profit, despite a slowdown in sales growth compared to its peers. In our second slice of apple pie, Mark Zuckerberg decided to channel a bit of Simon Cowell, openly critiquing Apple's innovation, or supposed lack of it. Apparently, old Zuck isn't tickled by Apple's recent approach, which he describes as an exercise in minor tweaks rather than groundbreaking innovations. However, it turns out that this might not be such a catastrophe for Apple as many might think. The tech titan's strength lies in its enormous, loyal customer base, and not necessarily in doling out jaw-dropping, game-changing tech doodads every year. Instead, Apple is cunningly leaning into their flourishing services arm, raking in a whopping $96 billion in services revenue recently. Yes, trying to upsell on services like AI integration is just what the doctor ordered for their long-term growth, even though you won't be seeing a sudden influx of mind-blowing new hardware. And finally, could Apple still help you live the luxury lifestyle of a tech stock millionaire? Judging by past performance, absolutely. In today's bullish market, history tells us that a solid chunk of Apple shares could have turned a pretty penny, exponentially that is. Apple's unsurpassed brand loyalty and a well-cultivated ecosystem of super-hit products and services continue to make it a desirable addition to any diversified investment portfolio. That said, it's essential to note that betting on sheer stock magic from Apple won't light your millionaire cigars alone. A mix of other quality stocks should also find a home in your trading account to increase those pot of gold vibes. So, there you have it. Apple is straddling the worlds of financial might, strategic innovation, or should I say, controlled innovation, and the potential to be a golden ticket in your investment candy bar. Stay tuned because as we know, where there's Apple news, there's bound to be more excitement brewing just around the corner. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.